Welcome to this tutorial on how to adjust the time settings on TradingView. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to customize your time zone and set the desired time frame for your charts. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you are on the main chart interface, look for the chart settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings window, navigate to the Time Zone tab. Here, you will find a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred time zone. Choose the appropriate time zone for your trading needs and confirm your selection. Next, let's adjust the time frame displayed on the chart. In the same settings menu, you will see options for time intervals such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, daily, and others. Select the time frame that best suits your trading strategy. You can also create custom time frames by clicking on the Add New Time Frame option. This allows you to tailor the chart to your specific requirements, making it easier to analyze market movements. Finally, after making all your adjustments, click the OK button to save your settings and close the menu. Your chart will now reflect the new time zone and time frame settings you selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using TradingView effectively. Thank you for watching.